Good morning, everyone. I have Hunter with me today, and we're gonna make some puffy paint. Hunter, why don't you show us what we're gonna need?
Shaving cream.
We're gonna need some shaving cream,
A paintbrush. Food coloring. Where are these?
measuring cups, and
Glue.
most importantly, we need glue. We'll show you how to mix it all together. It is half a cup of shaving cream. Or more. Let's see. We need a quarter cup of white glue. Last, we're going to need about 10 to 15 drops of food coloring. Any kind, any color that you want. So you just want to repeat those steps for as many colors as you're going to need, and then we're going to paint some pictures.